Hello everyone, let's talk about a topic that holds incredible power: breast health and the importance of self-breast examination in the early detection of breast cancer. Breast cancer is a significant concern for women around the world, but early detection can be a game changer. Regular self-breast examination should be a part of every woman's routine. It is recommended to perform the examination monthly, preferably a few days after the end of your menses, or on a chosen date each month for postmenopausal women. Follow the following steps to perform a self-breast examination. Undress from the waist up and stand in front of a mirror. Put your arms by your side and observe your breast. Raise your arms overhead and observe your breast for any change in shape, size, or appearance. Look out for any unusual dimpling, puckering, or any changes in the skin texture. Observe any changes in the nipple, such as inversion, redness, or scaling. Then, using the parts of the three middle fingers on your left hand, make small circular motions on the right breast with different levels of pressure. Cover the entire breast, moving from the outer areas towards the nipple. Feel for any lumps, thickening, or changes in texture. Make sure to cover the entire breast tissue, including the armpit. Look out for any changes in sensation, such as pain or tenderness. Repeat the process for your left breast using your right hand. The process can be repeated while lying down. If you notice any changes or abnormalities during your self-examination, consult with your healthcare provider promptly. The key to successful treatment is early detection. By regularly examining your breast, you increase the chance of identifying any abnormalities at an early stage, making treatment more effective. While self-breast examinations are valuable, they are not a substitute for regular mammograms and clinical checkups. Let's spread awareness, support one another in practicing regular self-examinations. Like this video and share it to your friends and families.